In today's video, let's decorate with my Nancy Meyers inspired Temu haul. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm really excited to share a Temu haul that was really inspired by Nancy Meyers decor. I hope you enjoy. I've recently been inspired by the Nancy Meyers style of decorating, guys, and I love bringing back my baby blues and incorporating some blacks and golds. So I was really excited, guys, when I noticed that Temu had a lot of the items that I was looking for, and I couldn't wait to share them with you. First up, guys, I was really inspired by all their decorative wallpapers. Now, I really love them, but I will say here, these pink and white square ones were actually on the screen looked tan and white. So I originally thought that they were going to be tan and white, but I still love them that they're pink. So just bear that in mind when you're looking at colours on a screen. Now guys, I was really excited to try these out. These are actually boxes that give the illusion of coffee table books. Now they come in a set of 3. Now we all know that coffee table books can be quite expensive, but I loved the idea of having the look for less out of these cardboard boxes. Now they're really easy to put together, guys, and come with this double-sided tape, so when you close the box, it stays in nice and secure.
Kiss your nose, but you're not anymore.
Guys, how lifelike are these? This is a really inexpensive way of getting the look for less, and I really love how they had the design on the back as well.
I'm not that flare of light you see when it gets dark.
Now I'm loving the black and white style of decorating at the moment, guys, and all the checkered prints. I was especially in love with this beautiful kitchen mat. Now it reminded me of something of Mackenzie Childs. Now I have one item from Mackenzie Childs that my husband and children bought for me for Mother's Day, and I just love how this gave the illusion of a Mackenzie Childs look. Now my next item was this adorable little kitchen valance. I love it so much. Now guys, there was only one in stock at the time when I ordered, but they've since restocked. So I actually found it didn't fit my window quite well, so I will have to order another one, but I absolutely love it. Nancy Myers decorates with a lot is the beautiful toile fabric, and I came across these beautiful cushion covers. Now there's a number of them on there, guys. You'll get on the app and you'll be lost in all the pretty cushions, and I just love these ones. Now, another thing that I was really excited to receive, guys, was this acrylic book stand. Now, it comes in a number of colours, but I really love the black.
I'm not a knight in shining armor, and I'm sure as hell not a savior when you need me to be. I'm not that flare of light you see when it gets dark.
Now, another item that Nancy Myers decorates with is vintage frames, and Temu have so many to choose from. I was especially in love with this particular one, guys, because I love that it is an oval shape. It can be placed on the wall as well as standing, and I love that it had that vintage gold colour. Now, I absolutely love a checkered print on anything, guys, but I was in love with these black and white mugs.
This is 27. It doesn't matter what I've been through. I should grow up too, but I still act like I'm 11. I'm not emotionally sound since I left you.
So this is a little kitchen valance, guys, and you can see that it wasn't quite wide enough, so I will be ordering a second one, but I absolutely love the detail and the look of this.
But I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get.
I love that the little sheep has his black and white check bandana on his head.
Down, down, yeah, I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. Don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. I let it slip somehow. Let it slip somehow. So this is 27. Start the music, kill the silence. Let my mind rest. Pour a drink cause it's effective. Can't seem to get my head around why I left you. And no, I don't like to be the bad guy. You know I don't lie, I really miss.
So guys, here is that pink and white wallpaper. Now, you remember I recently shared my makeover on my entryway, and I decided to try this out. Now, clearly I didn't have enough rolls, so I will be ordering a few more, but I really love the pink and white check in this area.
Was all I ever needed, but couldn't realize. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down.
So I'm giving you a little sneak peek here, guys, at a future video coming up, but I added these beautiful toile cushions into my bedroom.
So start the music, kill the silence. Pour a drink and let my mind rest. Cause I had Never had to ask, I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. Don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down, down, down. Yeah, I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me.
Guys, I absolutely love this gorgeous kitchen rug. And the best part about this one, guys, it is machine washable.
I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down.
Now, I also picked up these beautiful tea towels, guys. I love them. They come in a set of 2, and I placed the first one in my mixer.
Needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We'll lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Everyone needs somebody to lean on. Everyone needs someone who cares. If we come together as one, help each other get stronger, we are bound in the name of the Lord. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We'll lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. So
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home.
we'll lift our hands up and pray.
I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion for home decor. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. Guys, this video is definitely not sponsored by Temu. I just absolutely love shopping at Temu, guys. There is so many adorable finds to find, and all at affordable prices. I'll have everything linked for you down below, guys, that I have purchased, so you may find something that you would be interested in too.
There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. He showed me the way out of all the storms raging at the sea. He gave me back my life. I owe Him everything. Rejoice, rejoice.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed my Temu haul for 2024.
And always I rejoice. rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord always.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back next week, guys, for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.
He loved me at my worst. I thank him every day. I will put him first, 'cause he did that for me. He sacrificed himself so I could find my peace. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord forever and always. I rejoice, rejoice.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.